Alright guys, so we're working on my father-in-law's '05 Silverado again, and I noticed it on the way to the shop that the passenger side turn signal blinks much quicker. See how that's blinking fast compared to this side? That means that there's a short circuit somewhere, most likely a bulb is bad. So we have the driver's side on and we can see this one's blinking and there's one down here blinking. We have the passenger side on and only the bottom is blinking. So we need to check this out and replace the bulb or make sure the socket's working properly. Alright guys, so you're going to need to put your tailgate down, and once you put the tailgate down you'll be able to access these two screws here. There's one there and there's one up here. Alright, so then basically you just take your taillight, wiggle it a little bit and it'll come out. This has like sand or something all over it. So the one that we're looking for is this guy. So we'll blow this off so we don't get dirt inside the housing. It's a 3157, so let me go grab one. It doesn't look to be bad. Alright, so I got a new 3157. Put it in there. Pop it in. There we go. We got her lit up now, boys, and we're all set. I'm just going to screw this thing back in and we're done. Alright, so that wraps it up. If you have a vehicle that has a fast turn signal like that, that is basically one of your bulbs is bad, check that first, and then check your connections and stuff after that if the bulb doesn't fix it. So I hope this helped you guys. Check us out. We have a whole bunch of videos up there. Hit that like. It really helps out the channel. Subscribe if you want to see more, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.